Mike Gish with MarineMax, Maryland. Today I'm on a 2015 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. This one's powered by triple Mercury 350 horsepower Verados. Smooth, quiet, efficient, great way to propel the boat through the water. Very easy access, port side walkthrough, very simple to get on the boat into the large and spacious cockpit. This being a Boston Whaler, of course, it has to have the ability to fish. You have the fish box in back as well as benches that all fold up to give you the room you need to work if you are working the lines. If you're using the boat more for entertaining, of course, it has that option also. The benches all fold down for great seating all throughout with a reversible cushion if you do want to face backwards for fishing or just joining the party in the cockpit. As we move forward, you do have a great entertainment space behind the helm, refrigerator drawer, and hot and cold water sink. Great space to prep food or put on a good show. As you move into the main cockpit, you are underneath the protection of the hardtop and the full enclosure, so if the weather's not as nice, you have a great place to be. Easy seating for 4. Moving towards the helm, you can see we have large Raymarine displays, full radar, GPS, autopilot, everything you're going to need, including the Mercury vessel view system. As I mentioned earlier, it does have the triple Verados, so that of course is going to give you joystick docking, as well as integrated autopilot and skyhook. As we move forward into the cabin, you get everything you come to expect from a modern Boston Whaler. Great finishes throughout. There is a forward convertible dinette, so this drops down into a sleeping berth. Nice sofa off to the port side and a large cabinous sleeping area in the mid cabin. You do have another refrigerator down below, single burner cooktop, and a microwave. Not to mention you do have a fully enclosed separate head with a shower stall. Great combination of both fishability and just ability to cruise and entertain in a package that's fuel efficient and can handle the rough water. Mike Gish with MarineMax, Maryland, 2015 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. Give us a call, stop on in. We'd love to get you on the water, take you for a ride.